After unpacking the MR100 Primo, you will see a wide array of tools and accessories. Included are the following: Primo Master Unit, Steam Gun and Hose, Floor Cleaning Head Assembly, 2 extension tubes, Accessory Storage Bag, Instructions Pack with Warranty Registration, a measuring cup, and shipped in the measuring cup, a fill funnel, along with a grout brush and a set of replacement O-rings. Opening the storage compartment reveals the other accessories and attachments, including the detail accessory adapter, small cotton cover, large nylon brush, small nylon brush, brass brush, scraper tool, detail jet nozzle, water level dipstick, and the smooth surface fabric tool. First, insert the steam hose into the port located on the front of the steamer by pushing securely into place. The 2 lock tabs will click into place when fully inserted. The steam gun has a child safety lock. By pushing this lock, the trigger is locked and cannot be operated. The extension poles and accessory tool are attached directly to the steam gun. To attach, push onto the steam gun to lock in place. The detail accessory adapter must be used with all brushes, the scraper tool, jet nozzle, and smooth surface fabric tool. To attach, push onto the accessory adapter and twist to lock in place. The detail accessory adapter can be used on its own or with the jet nozzle attachment for hard-to-reach areas, such as toilet seat hinges, bathroom or kitchen fixtures and faucets, or any small detail hard-to-reach spaces. These jet tips also work great for spot treatment or even cleaning jewelry. The smooth surface fabric tool has a dual purpose. As a squeegee, it can be used for sanitizing countertops or cleaning any smooth surfaces.
The Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. The SC3 is Karcher's fastest heating steam cleaner and is ready to use in just 40 seconds. And with all the accessories you need, this steam cleaner can be used to clean most surfaces. Using nothing but tap water, the SC3 deep cleans all around your home, killing up to 99.9% of bacteria. The extension tubes, EasyFix floor tool, and microfiber cloth ensure deep cleaning on most types of hard flooring, including stone, laminate, and vinyl. With a simple switch to the hand tool, you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub, from tiles, work surfaces, stovetops, and doors, to glass and shower areas. The SC3 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush let you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard-to-clean places where grime and lime scale build up. What's more, the SC3 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily fill it and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the microfiber cloths can simply be removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC3 can then be stored away with ease.